When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency of your Conway home, few upgrades are as impactful as installing a new front door. But with so many material options available, how do you choose the one that fits your needs, style, and budget? This guide breaks down the pros and cons of each popular front door material to help you make a smart, customer-focused decision. Wood front doors. Classic charm with custom appeal. Why choose wood? Wood doors are a timeless favorite for homeowners who want a traditional or rustic look. They offer rich textures, natural grain patterns, and the ability to be custom stained or painted to match your home's design. Benefits. Excellent insulation. Easy to refinish or repaint. High-end look and feel. Customization in size, design, and panel style. Considerations. Requires regular maintenance, painting or sealing, to prevent warping or rotting. More expensive than other materials. Less weather resistant if not properly maintained. Best for homeowners who value aesthetic appeal and are willing to invest in upkeep. Steel front doors. Strong security and affordability. Why choose steel? Steel doors are known for their durability and security. They're resistant to warping, cracking, and fire, making them a practical option for Conway homeowners who want peace of mind without spending a fortune. Benefits. Great strength and security. Low maintenance. Its affordable price point. Often insulated with foam for energy efficiency. Considerations. Can dent or scratch easily. It may rust over time if not properly coated. Limited customization options compared to wood. Best for budget-conscious homeowners looking for strong protection and decent energy performance. Fiberglass front doors. Versatile and low maintenance. Why choose fiberglass? Fiberglass doors offer a perfect balance of style, durability, and energy efficiency. They can mimic the look of wood without the need for frequent upkeep, making them a popular choice for Conway's varied climate. Benefits. Resistant to dents, rust, and warping. Energy efficient and weather resistant. Can replicate wood grain appearance. Little to no maintenance needed. Considerations. Can be more expensive than steel doors. Less authentic feel compared to real wood. Not all fiberglass doors are created equal. Quality matters. It's best for busy homeowners who want long-term performance with minimal upkeep. Glass or decorative doors. Style with a view. Why choose glass? Front doors with decorative or full glass inserts bring in natural light and elevate your home's visual appeal. These doors can come in wood, fiberglass, or steel frames, offering flexibility in design. Benefits. Brings in natural sunlight. Adds a modern or elegant touch. available in various patterns, shapes, and glass types, frosted, stained, etc. Considerations: may reduce privacy unless frosted or tinted, can lower energy efficiency without insulated or double-pane glass, it's typically more expensive due to the materials and design, best for homeowners seeking a stylish statement or more natural light in their entryway. Choosing based on Conway's climate and lifestyle. Conway, Arkansas, experiences hot, humid summers and cool winters. Therefore, the ideal front door should offer thermal protection and resist warping due to moisture. Recommended picks: fiberglass is excellent for moisture resistance and insulation. Steel offers durability for fluctuating temperatures with proper coating. Wood is beautiful but requires extra care in humid conditions. Think about your lifestyle, too. If you have kids or pets who may be rough on the door, fiberglass or steel may be a better long-term investment than wood. Final tips before you buy: set a budget. Include costs for installation, hardware, and any customization. Check energy ratings. Look for ENERGY STAR certified doors to reduce heating and cooling costs. Consider your home's style. Match your door's material and design to your home's architecture for seamless appeal. Think long-term. Choose a material that will maintain its appearance and function for years. The bottom line: choosing the right front door material for your Conway home is a balance of form, function, and finances. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of wood, the strength of steel, or the low-maintenance convenience of fiberglass, there's an option that perfectly fits your needs. Make your entrance count. It's the first thing guests see and the last line of defense against the elements.